Hello students, welcome back to our channel Diksha Karnataka. So your COMEDK 2024 final answer key is released today. So in this video, I'll be telling you the detailed step-by-step procedure how you can download it. Okay, so let us see it. So first of all, you have to open any browser. Okay, and then you have to type COMEDK. Okay, so once you type COMEDK, you can see the first website, that is www.comedk.org. So click on this link and then you will be directed to the COMEDK official page. Okay, this page will come once you click on the link. Now here click on the login button. Okay, now once you click on this login button, you will be directed to this page where you have to enter your credentials. So enter your application number, your password, and then this captcha, and then type on the you have to click on the login button. Okay, so once you click on this, you will be directed to this page where you can see your application details, and here you can see the final answer key. Okay, so click on this final answer key tab. So once you click on the final answer key, you will be directed to this page where you can see click here to generate it. So click on this and your answer key will be generated. You can see, and then you can download it in the PDF format. Okay, so this is how you can download the final answer key for your COMEDK 2024 examination. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. The link for the Shift 1 answer key is given in the description section, and the direct link to log in to your COMEDK website is also given. So please follow them. Thank you.